How to handle personality conflicts at work. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where two coworkers just couldn't see eye to eye? Personality conflicts at work can create stress and disrupt productivity. Let's talk about how to handle these situations effectively. First, it is important to understand that personality differences are natural. They can lead to misunderstandings or clashes, often without any harmful intent. Recognizing this can help you approach conflicts with a more open mindset. Next, addressing conflicts early is key. If you notice tension brewing, encourage open communication. Create an environment where team members feel comfortable discussing issues as they arise. Managers should be approachable and promote an open-door policy. This allows conflicts to be addressed before they escalate into bigger problems. When discussing conflicts, focus on specific behaviors rather than making judgments about a person's character. This keeps the conversation objective and less personal. For instance, instead of saying someone is difficult, point out a specific action that caused the issue. Using effective mediation techniques can also help. Bring the conflicting parties together to discuss the issue calmly. Encourage active listening, where each person tries to understand the other's perspective. Help them identify specific changes or compromises that can improve their collaboration. Following up is essential to ensure progress is being made. Setting clear expectations and timelines is another important step. Agree on specific behavioral changes or communication adjustments and set deadlines for implementing them. Regular check-ins can help assess whether these new approaches are working. Encouraging positive communication is also vital. Promote respectful dialogue and discourage assumptions about intentions. Encourage employees to express their concerns clearly and to pause before responding, especially if they feel defensive. Providing conflict resolution training can equip employees with the skills they need to manage conflicts effectively. Training on communication, negotiation, and problem-solving can reduce the frequency and severity of personality clashes. If conflicts persist, consider involving a neutral third party to facilitate communication and resolution. Professional mediators can provide an objective perspective and help navigate difficult conversations. Promoting team diversity and flexibility can also lead to better outcomes. Accept that different personalities can contribute to innovation when managed well. Encourage teams to adapt and find ways to work effectively with various styles. Lastly, regularly reflect on how personality conflicts are handled. Be willing to modify approaches based on feedback and changing team dynamics. In job interviews, when asked about handling conflicts, candidates should demonstrate awareness of these strategies. They can describe situations where they managed personality conflicts by focusing on collaboration and problem solving. Using structured approaches like the situation, task, action, result method can help convey their ability to handle difficult work situations professionally. By applying these methods, employees and managers can reduce the negative impact of personality conflicts, improve workplace relationships, and contribute to a healthier work environment.